Hello friends, welcome to Arshid Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see the latest updates regarding with S Bank. Friends, private lender S Bank targeted startup sector tie-up with GVFL. So friends, first we have to know what the company's working model in GVFL. Friends, it's a Gujarat Ventures Financial Limited which is working to fund raising and fund support for startup companies. It is going to invest in a startup companies which they like the products and which they want to support and boost the companies which have initiative talents and worth candidates. So likewise, S Bank also came up with a new initiative to tie up with GVFL to support for startup sectors. According to the two companies have entered into MOU to strengthen fintech-led innovation and support the growth of Indian startup ecosystems. Friends, we already know fintech companies like Orange Pro Solutions and Intellect Design Arena. These are the two companies which are providing fintech solutions and banking digitalization products, and still these two are combinedly financing these type of sector. See here, the MOU will enable the banks to offer various products, digital banking solutions, and many other facilities that will benefit the startups associated with GVFL Limited. So, friends, we are going to see a booming industry which is on banking sector and banking digitalization particularly. Still this company is linking S Bank linking with GVFL means there is still scope in that sector. So holding Orange Pro solution and intellectual design is not a problem at all in my view. And see here, the bank will offer its curated digital transaction banking product suites, including its flagship API based offerings to the startups and fintech companies. These are the things which are we seen in those two companies also, and I am expecting that S Bank also will get benefit with this MOU. So friends, this is the latest update we got from S Bank. If you like our videos, please subscribe my channel, share my channel, friends.